Create a healthy, productive work environment for your Virginia area business with the help of Cavalier Inc. By using hand sanitizers in the workplace, you can remove 99% of germs, seriously limiting the potential for infection in your facility. When water is not available, there's no better way to reduce common bacteria than with Cavalier's line of hand sanitizers. Cuttall branded hand sanitizers are in compliance with OSHA's bloodborne pathogen standard, a huge must for properly maintaining your facility. MRSA outbreaks can be prevented through the use of hand sanitizers. And since flu season can last until May, the cold virus being contagious year-round, infection control is necessary in order to keep a healthy work environment for both employees and customers. Cavalier Inc. is the fastest growing specialty chemical and facility maintenance company in the Virginia Tidewater area, and they have a combined 40 years experience on their team. Fight the spread of infectious diseases with hand sanitizers from Cavalier. Give them a call today at 1-888-569-0066 and experience what Team Cavalier has to offer.